Hey, let me just cut straight to the point because it's not going to be a fun video for me. Today was a really, really bad day. I lost both PAs. I broke all my rules. I traded impulsively. I didn't respect my playbooks. I basically went on tilt. And although I traded relatively okay at the beginning of the day, in the second part of the day, I traded extremely bad. I didn't follow, as I said, any rules. I didn't have a plan. I traded just based on emotions. Yeah, let me not stall with the explanation. Let me just show you what I did. I sped up through most of the clips because there's no point in me having a 30-minute video. So you're going to see how bad I traded. It's going to be sped up, so please bear with me. If you're interested, just watch until the end. Let's begin. So this was my first trade. I basically was looking at a 3 contract long before the news. This was 22nd before the news. And as you can see here on screen, I was in profit £200. I should have front ran the view up instead of place my take profit above the view up. I was just expecting a big move up and we didn't get that. You can see if I had my stop loss at the view up, I would have closed in $200-300 in profit. And second trade, I immediately entered a long again. I just wanted to see higher, but I should have waited for more confirmation. This was just chasing for price to do what I want. But also it was based on the fact that we had a view up rejection. So not the worst idea in the world, but you can see my trade management is not the best because I was $300 in profit at one point and I didn't close the trade. I started closing the trade here at $50 in profit. So pretty bad trade management. And 2 trades, I had a good plan and idea, but the execution was horrible. Like I wasn't in the right mental space from the beginning, as you can see. Now this was a big supply into demand flip on the 30-minute. This was the previous all-time high that was tested twice. And I thought we're going to see a nice move at this level. And I entered just with 1 contract and placed my stop below the low. But as you can see, price wasn't having any of it. And we're just pushing lower at this point. And I exited for a loss. This was not the worst thing to do. I'm, content with my move here. But you can see here I'm psychologically taking a toll because I'm stacking losses and I'm just throwing away realized profit. And this is a really bad place for me to be in because I just noticed the fact that I was in profit. I could have been in profit. I could have been green. I could have ended the day in 2 trades if I would have been greedy and I wouldn't aimed for the moon. And you can see here entered with the 2 contracts again. Now playing the short idea. I flip-flopped. So I'm just not doing really good trading at this point. So this is another short that I took. So I was basically seeing that price can't push higher from this position. And I just started to short, trying to go with the move, and now I entered the long. So you can see that's really bad and poor trading because I'm flip-flopping between trading ideas, and even though I am in unrealized profit here, I started close the trade a little bit in profit, but still it's not something that's a big deal because I'm not decisive. I'm not closing the trade when I'm at $300. I'm just closing the trade when the trade reverses against me. And it's just emotional trading. It's one of the worst parts of my trading. So I started bad and I continued bad, and from bad mistake to worst mistake. You can see that the P&L summary is appearing and disappearing from my screen, and that's because I have an OBS rhythmic overlay, and whenever it disappears, it means that I was watching the P&L and I just minimize it in the bar. So that just means that I'm conscious of the fact that I'm losing. I'm minus 200 on both accounts. I need to make the money back. I need to win. And yeah, that's something bad. And you can see that I'm just stacking losses here and there and here and there, and flip-flopping my ideas, changing bias, too big of a contract size. Like I was $400 in loss on both accounts. I could have exited this trade at $300-400. I could have made the money back, but I'm not doing that. I'm trading poorly at this point, and here I would have been in profit. Like now I'm in profit for the day, right? And I started closing one by one because I was expecting a big move, and we didn't get big moves. We're just getting like these small moves, and I could have capitalized on these small moves a lot more than I did. Yeah, so I'm getting annoyed as I watch this because it's really poor trading. I'm not proud of it. I lost 2 PAs, so I need to start over with 0. Both PAs were over $2,000, so I was only, I don't know, for $100 from a payout today at my max point because I was $300 in profit and both PAs were at around 2,200. You can see here that, my trading is really bad. Now, New York Open started, I don't know how long, didn't pay attention, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm just entering trades in the middle of the chart, not respecting my TA, not taking profit once again, and getting stopped at break even. Here you can see I'm $100 in profit. I could have taken profit. I did not take profit. I don't know what happened. It's just like watching this back is, why didn't I take profit? Now I'm choking the trade, but eventually I got filled on my take profit, so that's good. But yeah, now I'm going with the short trade here on the New York Open backtest with the 50 SMA and the previous day value high. This is a good level for a short. I'm just, not, I mean, you can see in the corner that I'm $350 in profit on both accounts at this point. So from this point onwards, only bad trading. I could have stopped here, right? I took that trade with I don't know how many contracts. It was a winner. You can see I'm $250 in profit on both accounts. I didn't stop. I continued trading. And yeah, that's just really annoying, man, because all of this hard work, it's just gone down the drain in a couple of hours. And yeah, it's one of those aspects in trading that, you have to go through it. You have to experiment it. You have to learn from it. And watching this is just that, what do you call it? It's just that recipe for curing my stupidness, because I'm just forcing myself to watch. You can see here I'm entering trades at the top of the move. I'm just chasing trades. I want to place my stop above break even because I know this is a really bad place for me to enter a trade. Like I've been giving a couple of opportunities, but I just did not take them. And now I get stopped, and not far from where I started the day. I entered the trade again. I'm in profit again, $100. I'm not closing the trade. Just you see the same mistakes over and over and over and over again. And even though I've been in profit, I've been really close to my daily profit goal. I've been 700 in profit on both accounts. I just was not thinking about stopping. I was just thinking of, let me make 800. Let me make 100 more. At what cost? And it's not that the intention is bad. It's just the execution, the going about it. It's the fact that I'm in unrealized profit and I'm not capitalizing on it. And I'm just like mentally losing it with each trade. Along once again, I should have placed my stop in profit. I did not place my stop in profit. We backtested buying imbalances and we moved lower. You can see it's the same thing over and over and over and over again. I just want price to do what I wanted to do. Entering in bad positions. I should have entered lower on New York Open. I could have exited the trade by now, but I just entering prematurely, not on levels that I normally enter. And I am racking up losses. You can see I'm minus 1K on both accounts. The sum. So now I enter a long and I'm $300 in profit. And yeah, I'm not taking profit, of course, because my loss is bigger than my take profit, and I am too stupid to realize that these unrealized wins, they add up. So yeah, this is painful to watch for me. But yeah, this is the advantage of journaling your trades on YouTube. And this is part of the reason why I started the YouTube channel, is because of this, because I knew the impact it will have on my trading. You can see now I switched short. What the hell did I switch short for here? I don't know. We're still above the CVD-MA. We're bouncing from the New York VWAP, and I'm short at the support of the move. This is terrifying. This is so bad. Like, no, you shouldn't do that. Like, why? And now my short is playing out, and I'm not taking profits, of course. And I'm getting stopped at break even. Not even. I'm not even getting stopped at break even. I was $1,000 in drawdown in this trade, and I'm not taking profit now at $300 in profit. You can see my PNL disappeared. I'm constantly watching my PNL. I'm afraid to take profit when, not afraid, I'm just greedy at this point. And now I trade on ES with 6 contracts. Look at this. 6 contract long. Yep. Delta's pushing below the CVD-MA. This trade was a good trade. I'm not too sad about the trade. It worked out. But man, this is bad trading 101. You can see how I acknowledge my mistakes, how I recognize where I traded poorly. Don't do this. Like, if you find yourself trading like me at this point, just stop trading for the day. And instead of exiting 6 contracts, front running the VWAP, I'm just exiting 3 on the pullback and another 3 on $200. So I make back a little bit on this trade, but yeah, and just trading bad. You can see here that the PNL came back. I'm still on the ES, but I'm minus 1.5K on both accounts. So from this point onward, I'm just trading the NQ chart. And my mistake here, I wasn't conscious of the fact that the screen is not recording the trades. I sped up this recording to 10x. So yeah, you're going to see that I'm entering and exit positions, another $500 loss. And one of the PAs is blown at this point, and I just have the other PA, which has a $300 pad at this point. And yeah, I made some money back. You can see I have minus 1.3K from minus 2K. I made 700 back on one PA. I just go ahead and lose that as well. And that's where I was at for this day. You can see that, yeah, it's not as bad as the fact that I took bad trades, because the trades weren't the worst trades in the world, right? You saw that I was in unrealized profits in most of my trades. The problem now, looking back at it, is that I should have taken profit when I was in profit, be it $100, $200. Those profits add up. And then when I stack wins as opposed to losses, I can just step away from the computer and just wait for the next setup. Instead of stacking, no, let me explain what happened psychologically, because this is really important. So basically, when you take losses, your mental capacity of trading goes down. You're trading worse and worse. When you take wins, you're relaxed. You're not rushing to get into a trade. And you saw that today I was over-focused on my PNL, over-focused on making money, over-focused on letting trades run in areas where the candle ranges were not pointing towards a trending day. So any times in these market conditions that I was in a trade that was in realized profit and unrealized profit, I should have capitalized on that opportunity. I should have closed the trade immediately. I should have walked away in profit. And just like that, I could have just hit my daily profit goal instead of just wanting to shoot for the moon. I'm pretty sad that this happened. Anyways, to wrap things up, we have another Apex discount moving forward. It's an 80% discount. We have the 150K, 200K, 300K accounts. They're all $40 with a discount. And the lifetime activation fee is only $85. So if you want to take advantage of that, you have my discount code on screen. You're going to support me if you're going to do that, so I'll appreciate it. If not, that's okay. But yeah, disappointing day. I'm not too proud of myself. I didn't respect my daily loss limit. I deactivated that. I didn't activate it back again. And yeah, you saw I traded with too large of a position size when the setup wasn't there. Like, if you trade big size, you should trade reliable setups. You should trade setups that you always take. I traded nothing in the middle of the chart. I just entered with big contracts, hoping no, that's not entirely true, but I just didn't capitalize on my opportunities, and when my trade management was really lacking today. So yeah, I'll buy a new eval. I'll think about buying one or two, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take good care and don't do the same mistakes as I did. See ya.